being clear is kind and being unclear is unkind. So even though sometimes it's tough to have hard conversations, I think it's so important. And I always walk away feeling so much better and feeling like all parties involved have like grown from that and have just like reestablishing expectations. And by doing so, that allows people to like have new goals and targets to grow and develop themselves. So I've had a lot of really great interactions around that this week.